Hi, Boo. How was your first taxi experience? Yeah? It was the second time. Do you remember your first time? How old were you?
5.
You were 5. You're lying. You were a few months.
Huh?
Where were you going when you were 5 years?
I was going to my papa's
Really? I didn't know.
With my aunt.
With your aunt. Hi, Oa.
And also my cousin.
And also your cousin. Also, today it wasn't your first. It was your first time with me, ne? Okay. So how was it 3 years later?
Yes. 3 years.
I get the last time you were 5, now you're 8. So how is it after 3 years?
Huh?
How was it today? How was your experience today?
Oh, after 3 years.
Yes.
Yes.
It was nice, ne? You love it. You're gonna do it again. Okay. And how old are you, Oa?
I'm 3.
You are 3. Good boy. Guys, we just got off a taxi now and we're waiting for my sister to come fetch us. We are at the garage, right opposite the Fugop Mall, and then she's gonna fetch us and then Rea Mashitani. This is where we are, right opposite the mall, the Fugop Mall. Bye.
Hi. This boy, he can get out of seatbelt so easily.
Eish, you must tell him not to, ne?
Truth cuts deep. Truth, yeah. Love don't come cheap. Don't come cheap. I've been counting every feeling. Every feeling. Hearts cry louder when they need it. When they need it. I feel fear hit my chest. I stepped into love, I was shaking. Asking myself, will this grow or break me? Pack my courage, walking toward commitment. I feel fear hit my chest. I stepped into love, I was shaking. Asking myself, will this grow or break me? Pack my courage, walking toward commitment. I feel scared again. I don't understand it, I'm in love again. I'm not guarded, I'm not listening to the past. Will you stand and protect me, or will you turn your back on me? Years one shy, wallow, wallow. I don't understand it, I'm in love again. I'm not guarded, I'm not listening to the past. Will you stand and protect me, or will you turn your back on me?
Gang. Yeah? Guys, these are the most delicious peaches emhlabeni. Lisa. Sure. I'm so glad they left us some, because they did say that the people in the community are forever asking, like literally every day there's a group of people that come and ask for peaches, and they've been giving them, they've been allowing them to pick, but we just asked if they could just leave us a few batong, and they did. Oh, I love these peaches. Love them. I'm looking for a perfect one to pick, by the way. Let me just pick this one. Look at that. So nice.
I think 2 weeks ago.
Mm-hmm.
I think.
Okay.
I told my own shouter. I let out Ojilene. Breakfast, usually serious. I usually conflicts.
Okay. I'm trying to chase these guys away. What took you so long? Oh, raka dipudi. Hi guys.
Hi. Hiya, guys.
I feel scared again. I don't understand it. I'm in love again. I'm not guarded. I'm not listening to the past. Will you stand and protect me, or will you turn your back on me? Years one shy, wallow, wallow. I don't understand it. I'm in love again. I'm not guarded. I'm not listening to the past. Will you stand and protect me, or will you turn your back on me? I feel fear in my chest. I stepped in.
Yeah, so we were here so that I could send through that giveaway package. Yeah, it's going to take about 3. I think I chose the 3 to 5 day option, and yeah, 3 to 5 days option, and then I am hoping they get it before Friday, so that they can at least get their hair done, like the lady gets there, so that the lady can at least get her hair done this weekend. Yeah, I'm so happy for. Okay, I'm saying they because the one who won it for her sister. She entered for her sister, so she's bald. Yeah, the one who entered is bald, and then she entered for her sister. So that's why I'm saying they. So it's like both of them won. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, but I hope it does. I'm just waiting for Letaro to come back. Then we are going back home to go finish up baking, and yeah, call it a day. I'm sorry I didn't talk to you much in this video. I don't even think I opened the vlog. Did I? I don't think I opened it. If I didn't, guys, please forgive me. I don't like having like 2-3 intros in a vlog. But yeah, yo, guys, like, I'm not even joking. But yeah, so if I didn't open the vlog, guys, I am so sorry. But we are currently now in Limpopo for the festive season, and we just left my mama's home, my actual home. Excuse my hair, I need to undo it and do something about it. I'm gonna do something about it. So yeah, we're currently in Limpopo, and I left my mama's house with Tumisho and Owa. You guys have seen those clips. Then we are currently at my grandmother's house, my uncle's house. I don't know what to call it because it is my grandmother's house, but now it's like my uncle's house. Yeah. Do you guys understand? Like, Rangwanike was born, so he takes over his father's house. So Tato's gonna have to do the same thing one day. He's gonna, like, that same yard is going to belong to Tato. It already does, but yeah.
These are mine.
I feel fear hit my chest. I stepped into love, I was shaking, asking myself, will this grow or break me? I packed my courage, walking toward forever. They won't understand. They won't, but when I'm with you, I feel complete. Yeah, when I'm with you, I feel whole. Baby, my baby, you choose to stay with me. Yeah, with me. They won't understand.
What's happening today?
Today we're having our Christmas party on Muklinking Arona. So we decided, you know what, it's been a long year. Let us celebrate. And as you know, so we have having our bride. Hey, and guess what?
Yes. No me.
I'm not gonna lie.
Yes. So people must come work here, ne? Yeah. Thank you. Ah. Hi, handsome boys. Merry Christmas. Hi, Oizi.
Hi.
You look so cute. Nice.
I don't know.
Siap,
Easy, my baby, I'm moving closer. I feel it calling, I feel it calling. Something I don't have a name for. Hits me quiet, hits me slow. Been circling this truth for years. Yeah, it's you. Easy, my baby, I'm moving closer. I feel it calling, I feel it calling. Something I don't have a name for. Hits me quiet, hits me slow. Been circling this truth for years. Yeah, it's you. Moya, moya, moya. When I'm near you, the noise goes silent. This kind of love rearranges. Yeah, moya, moya. When I'm near you, the noise goes silent. Something Now I see myself in you. Moya, moya, moya. This ain't lust, this recognition. Moya, moya, moya. Two spirits speaking without permission. Moya, moya, moya. This ain't rush, this is precision.
Because they all have antibodies.
Explore.
What song do you sing at this good friend?
Easy, my baby, I'm moving closer. I feel it calling, I feel it calling. Something I don't have a name for. Hits me quiet, hits me slow. Been circling this truth for years. Yeah, it's you. Easy, my baby, I'm moving closer. I feel it calling, I feel it calling. Something I don't have a name for. Hits me quiet, hits me slow. Been circling this truth for